Imagine waking up one morning and suddenly feeling twice as light. You jump out of bed and boom! You almost hit the ceiling. Sounds fun, right? But what if I told you that if Earth's gravity was cut in half, life as we know it would completely change? Let's find out what would really happen. Right now, Earth's gravity pulls us down at 9.8 meters per second squared. If it became only half, around 4.9, everything would weigh 50% less. A 60 kilograms person would feel like just 30 kilograms. You could jump nearly 6 feet high without effort. Running would feel like bouncing on a trampoline. At first, it might feel awesome, like living on the moon. But here's the twist. Our bodies are designed for full gravity. We'd slowly lose muscle strength and bone density because our skeleton and muscles wouldn't need to work as hard. Skyscrapers could be built taller and thinner because they'd weigh less. Cars, however, would be trickier. Light gravity means less friction on roads, so driving would be like sliding on ice. Sports would get insane. Imagine basketball players dunking from the three-point line or soccer balls flying half a kilometer with one kick. But here comes the danger. With weaker gravity, Earth's atmosphere wouldn't be held down as strongly. Over time, gases would leak into space. Air would get thinner, oxygen would drop, and breathing would become harder. We'd also see extreme weather. Lighter air means weaker air pressure, strange wind patterns, and maybe even more violent storms. Oceans would expand upward, spreading out because they'd be less tightly held. Waves and tides would become wild. Coastal cities could flood more often. And remember the moon's pull? With half Earth's gravity, the moon's effect on tides would double, creating massive, destructive waves. Earth would still orbit the sun just fine, but satellites and space stations would drift away more easily. Birds and insects that rely on gravity to fly would struggle. Plants might grow taller, but weaker. And eventually, humans might need spacesuits just to breathe. At first, half gravity might sound like a dream. Lighter steps, higher jumps, superhuman sports. But over time, it would turn into a nightmare. Collapsing ecosystems, unstable weather, dangerous tides, and weakening human bodies. Earth's gravity may feel ordinary, but it's the silent force that makes our world livable. So, next time you jump, run, or even just breathe. Remember to thank gravity for keeping life on Earth balanced. What other what-if scenarios do you want me to explore next? Drop it in the comments.